Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a grunge texture to your Canva designs. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give your graphics that rugged, edgy feel that really makes them stand out, whether you're working on social media posts, album covers, or even personal projects. So if you've ever wanted to bring some visual attitude to your work, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's super user-friendly. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click that big Create button, usually up in the corner. This is where your creative process begins. Canva's Create feature is designed to start a blank canvas for your ideas, literally. Now for our grunge texture, we want to keep things simple, so when the size options pop up, select Custom Size. Here, where you'll type in 100 by 100 pixels. I know this sounds tiny, but don't worry, this size is perfect for creating just the right texture swatch. By working small, you can use the texture later over a larger design and repeat or stretch it, almost like a tiled background for your main project. Once you've set your custom dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will open up a blank workspace with those dimensions, and this is where the magic happens. The small canvas size might look a bit odd at first, but it's great for focusing just on the texture without distractions. Now let's add an image to our canvas. This could be anything you want to serve as the background, maybe a color, a photo, or just leave it blank if you want the grunge to stand out by itself later. You can upload your own image, which is a great idea if you have a specific project in mind. Just drag and drop it right onto your canvas. After you've got your image set, go ahead and click Elements on the left sidebar. This is where Canva keeps all their amazing graphics, shapes, and textures. In the search bar at the top, type in grunge. You'll see lots of different options pop up: smudges, scratches, splotches, torn paper effects. Canva's library is packed with cool elements. Take a moment to scroll through and pick a texture that really speaks to you. If you're not totally sure which one to use, don't stress. It can be fun to experiment and try a few different looks to see what fits best with your project. Once you've chosen your grunge texture, click on it to add it to your canvas. Now this is where you can make it your own. Set the color to black and white for that classic high-contrast grunge look. Black and white textures are incredibly versatile and often look the most authentic. Think old band posters or vintage magazine covers. But here's the thing, you don't have to stick to monochrome. If you want a splash of color to match your brand, or maybe a metallic sheen for something extra bold, just use Canva's color tools to adjust the hue and saturation. It's all about making it look cool and unique to your style, so don't be afraid to play around with the settings. A small detail like shifting the grayscale slider or adding a subtle tint can make a big difference in the final vibe of your texture. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to save your work. Hit the Share button in the top right, then select Download. Make sure to pick the file type that works best for your main design. PNG usually preserves the transparent background if you want to layer it later. And that's it, you've just made your own grunge texture in Canva, ready to give your designs an instantly cool, distressed effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your creations, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative tips in Canva and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.